Alright, meaning section 4, let me just show you a quick preview. It goes like this. So this was end of 3, 4 goes ta ta ta, ta ta ta, ta ta ta. Alright, let me break that down for you. So what you want to do is you want to do this move here. Basically what you're doing is you're taking your right leg and taking a slight step to the front here. Let me just show you from the side. I'm doing ta, and then I'm stepping on my left on the spot, and then the right goes back. Okay, let me show from to the front as well. So I'm going right, left, right. Let me show from the side. Right, left, right. Okay, so slightly to the front, on the spot, and then right goes back. Okay, just practice that a few times. Ta, 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 ta. Now you want to do it to the opposite side. So we're starting with the left, taking a slight step to the front, and then right on the spot, then left goes back. Okay, so from the side it looks like this. Ta, ta, ta. Okay, just try that a few times. Left, right, left. Left, right, left. Notice how I'm doing it very lightly, so I'm up on my toes. So whoop, whoop, whoop. Now I'm exaggerating. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Tiny steps. Ta, ta, ta. And then the other side. Ta, ta, ta. Right? Try and practice with me. I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to go right, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left. Alright, now if you want to, you can add some arms. You can do one arm while you do this, or you can do both arms, whatever you feel like. Okay? So you step to the front and then you scoop here, and then the other side. Wah, wah, let me show from the side. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. One arm. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. And then the thing that comes after is you want to jump out like this. Alright, let me show from the side, it's going to be easy to see. So I'm going to go whoop. Yeah, so legs slightly apart. My right is on flat foot and my left is just here. Alright? And then from here, basically what I want to do is I'm going to jump 3 times in total. So I'm starting from here. I want to jump 1, 2, 3. So each time I'm moving closer and closer, alright? And you don't have to exaggerate. Just do it small, small, small. Okay? Just try that a few times. Right in front, you're gonna go wah, wah, wah. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3. Okay, when you combine it, it's gonna look like this. So a quick recap. This was in 3, 4 goes wah, 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 jump, jump, jump. And the timing goes something like this. So this was ka ka. Then the lyric goes away, let me go. All right. So let me just show you again a bit faster. She goes ka ka, away, let me go. Okay. Let me show you from the side one last time. Ka ka, away, let me go. Alright, let's try and practice that, guys. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna say wah, wah, wah. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go away, let me go. And one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Away, let me go. Alright, meaning section 5. Let me show you a quick preview. We want to go whoom, whoom, hey, ka, ka. Alright, let me break that down for you. So basically what you want to do is take your left leg, flex it behind your right, and then right goes here. And then you want to do mini jump where you jump on your left, and then you kick your right out like that. Okay? So let's just rewind. I'm doing left, right, jump on left. Okay? Because we want to do this circle thing with our right leg and drag it in a circle. Woo. Alright? Now from here what we want to do is just jump the rest of the way by doing jump, jump. Okay? Let me just show you again. So from the scissors side I did left, right, jump, drag, and then jump, jump. Try and practice with me. We're gonna go super slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going left, right, jump, slide, jump, jump. Now, if you want to, you can add a small detail. So when you take a step back with your left here, you can flick your right foot heel to the side. So basically, what I'm doing is I'm going boom, okay? The right leg is doing boom when I do the step back, right? So it's gonna look like this, boom, and so on. Now, if you want to, let me just explain the arms as well. The first step, I'm doing boom, boom with my left. So when I do it, it's gonna look like this, boom, boom, all right? So, boom, boom, and then when I do this jump here, my right goes up, left goes down, right goes up and goes boom, as if I'm pulling the leg with my arm here, around, okay? Rewind, arms go boom, boom, hey, and then the rest of the way, boom, boom. You actually want to prep for the next part. So just place your right hand here. Timing wise, we basically just want to aim for starting on soul is alright. Alright? So soul is alright. Ka, ka. Okay, that's the ka ka sound. So let's try and practice that. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go soul is alright. Ka, ka. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. So it's alright. Ka, ka. Alright, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. So it's alright. Ka, ka. Alright, last mini section. Let me show you a quick preview. It's actually easy. We just go boom, 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 boom. I think we do 3 or 4 times. It doesn't matter. Just do it until the music ends. Okay? Now let me explain. So what you want to do is this is easy, right? Your right hand here is just gonna go like this. And then you wanna take steps. You can either just take normal steps, or you can do sort of the camel walk thing where you go up on your toes, all right? So right now my left is on my toes, right is on flat foot, and then I do a switch, switch, switch. All right, so when I do it all together, it's gonna do this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, you can also do some whoop, 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 whoop. Add some more effect to it if you want to. Okay, that's basically it. So, the timing goes without asking why. Okay, let's try and practice. 5, 6, 7, 8, without asking why. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, without asking why. Alright guys, remember to practice the different mini sections, and then now let's do the full dance from the tip to the top till the end. Alright, so a quick recap. From the tip to the top, we want to go inverted happy feet, and then to the right, and then you want to say hip, hip, hands, hands, throw it back, roll up, shoulder, shoulder, then you say right, left, right, left, jump, 1, 2, 3, then you want to say left, right, jump, and then jump, jump, and then you want to go boom, boom, and here. And the timing goes, then she said, day I'm then she had a and I'm on my way. Ace told her no, she said, day I'm on. Cat, wait, let me go. So it's alright. Cat, asking why. Alright guys, time to practice. I think I'm just gonna sing Then She Said, and then I'm curious to start on Te amo. Okay, so I'm gonna say Then she said Te amo. Alright, let's go. Then she said Te amo. Then she had a and I'm on my ways. Told her no, she said, te amo. Ka, wait, let me go. So it's alright. Ka, oh, asking why. Alright, let's try that again. Then she said, te amo. Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she said, te amo. Ka, wait, let me go. So it's alright. Ka, I'm asking why. Okay guys, now you just need to practice it over and over again until you can do it a bit faster, okay? I'm just gonna try and do it to the normal tempo now, one last time. So, it goes. Then she said, te amo, and she had a hand around my waist. Told her no, she said, te amo, ka, hey, let me go. So this song, ka, asking why. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.